closely at the most extreme mining pits on Earth, and you aren't looking at geology. You are looking at the scarred playgrounds of absolute monsters. Welcome to Beast Machine's world. Forget standard construction logic. We are breaking into a high-stakes realm where steel weights are measured in thousands of tons, and a single machine can rip apart a mountainside before your morning coffee is even cold. Instead of boring corporate specs, we are lining up the ultimate heavy hitters of the extraction industry. We are pushing the scale straight up, ranking everything from agile, high-tech, next-gen hydraulic lifters all the way to an absolute behemoth that doesn't even use hydraulic arms to move landscapes. The benches are cleared, and the throttles are wide open. Let's drop straight into the arena. A new chapter in large-scale earth-moving begins as the brand-new Caterpillar Next Generation 6015 is unleashed by Kidco Construction onto its very first major project, purpose-built to conquer demanding production deadlines. This mechanical titan is armed with a fierce engine delivering massive horsepower, driving an advanced hydraulic system that forces a monstrous 14 cubic yard bucket through dense earth with surgical precision. Operating from the top of the excavation face, it dominates the initial cut to establish a critical access trench, loading heavy wiggle wagons positioned below with relentless efficiency. The sheer experience of watching this machine work is breathtaking, as the deep rumble of its engine vibrates through the ground while just two effortless passes completely fill a massive haul truck. Its imposing visual dominance transforms the landscape, moving thousands of cubic yards per shift to radically accelerate earth-moving timelines. Within the mining and infrastructure sectors, the Next-Gen 6015 stands as an essential modern powerhouse, proving that cutting-edge technology can flawlessly maximize productivity right from day one. If you think this early-stage titan is impressive, the next machine takes things even further into the realm of pure mining endurance. At a massive gypsum mine in Nottinghamshire, England, a high-stakes tag-team operation unfolds as a Komatsu PC-3000 face shovel and a heavy-duty hydraulic excavator work side by side to feed a roaring fleet of Komatsu HD785 haul trucks. Driven by thousands of industrial horsepower, this mechanical titan duo is engineered to shatter production targets through flawless synchronization. Positioned aggressively at the quarry face, the PC-3000 utilizes its powerful front shovel configuration to smash through compact material, while the companion excavator handles flexible loading zones to eliminate truck queues completely. The entire pit echoes with a thunderous metallic roar as huge volumes of gypsum are slammed into the waiting 100-ton capacity haul trucks. This masterful coordination proves why these specialized machines are the absolute heartbeat of modern surface mining, maximizing daily efficiency with unstoppable force. But the race for absolute domination never rests. And our next titan pushes the boundaries of raw production capacity even higher. Operating within the endless dusty horizons of major coal mine operations, the Caterpillar 6030 works tirelessly under brutal shifts to sustain a colossal flow of material for the modern energy sector. This mechanical titan relies on twin diesel engines generating immense horsepower, sending high-pressure hydraulic fluid through heavy-duty cylinders to rip open the earth with relentless violence. Each aggressive bite into the mining face extracts dozens of tons of raw coal and dense overburden, loading immense haul trucks in a continuous, highly synchronized rhythm. The operator experience inside the pressurized cab is a masterclass in controlled chaos, where the deafening scream of hydraulics meets an ultra-smooth swing cycle that moves thousands of tons every single hour. Visually, the CAT 6030 is an imposing mountain of yellow steel, possessing a massive footprint that anchors the entire pit floor against shifting terrains. It serves as an indispensable production link between the raw geologic face and the hauling fleet, securing its role as a premier global workhorse for high-intensity extraction. If you are enjoying this journey through the world of mechanical titans, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an encounter with the engineering marvels shaping our world. Towering majestically above the jagged mine floor, the Liebherr R9350 stands as one of the most respected and feared hydraulic excavators in large-scale mining operations worldwide. Engineered to endure relentless production demands without a single moment of unscheduled downtime, it features an advanced power plant that delivers massive digging forces directly to its rugged arm. It attacks the stubborn mining face with unparalleled efficiency, slicing through dense rock and heavy overburden as if it were soft clay. The mechanical choreography of the boom, stick, and bucket creates an incredibly smooth, continuous flow of material that keeps entire haul fleets running at maximum capacity. To witness the R9350 in action is to experience raw, unyielding energy, characterized by the thunderous boom of its bucket, breaking through geological layers. Its massive structural frames dominate the pit, projecting an image of pure industrial strength that can withstand the most hostile climates on Earth. By consistently achieving impossible production targets, this engineering marvel cements its status as an unstoppable icon of modern heavy industry. When discussing the true undisputed giants of heavy machinery, the Terex O&K RH200 is a legendary name that instantly strikes awe into the hearts of equipment enthusiasts due to its historic scale and unparalleled productivity. This colossal industrial powerhouse was engineered to tackle the most extreme mining environments, powered by twin high-output engines that generate astonishing horsepower to drive its massive hydraulic cylinders. During its historic deployment for Banks Mining at the Delhi site before moving to Shotton, this Titan was filmed executing flawless loading cycles, pairing perfectly with heavy Caterpillar 789 haul trucks. It commands absolute visual dominance on the mining bench, looking like a rolling mechanical fortress that makes standard construction vehicles look like mere toys. By filling the 210-ton Cat 789 trucks in just a few massive passes, the RH200 proved it was a true symbol of human ingenuity, built to conquer challenges that ordinary machines could never survive. Holding the crown of classic hydraulic power is one thing, but our next machine elevates this exact technology to an overwhelming scale of modern dominance. Deep within the burning heart of the world's largest open-pit operations, the massive Liebherr R996 hydraulic excavator dominates the landscape with an overwhelming display of operational supremacy. This colossal mechanical titan is engineered to conquer the absolute hardest excavation challenges, effortlessly stripping massive volumes of dense overburden and loading heavily blasted rock or high-value ore. Driven by an immense multi-engine configuration, it channels incredible hydraulic pressures to unleash a massive digging force that easily shatters unyielding geological formations. Watching the R996 command the mining face is an unforgettable cinematic experience, where every controlled swing lifts a payload heavy enough to crush multiple civilian vehicles. Its physical scale is truly staggering, boasting a towering height and a massive high-capacity bucket that can move an entire house's volume of earth in a single shift. As an essential cornerstone of global mega mining, this industrial powerhouse maximizes efficiency across every stage of extraction, representing the absolute pinnacle of heavy hydraulic engineering. Now, we leave single excavators behind to look at an entire mechanized ecosystem where multiple giants unite to move mountains. At the gargantuan Asarco Ray Mine in Arizona, situated between Phoenix and Tucson, operational scale is magnified to an unimaginable level, where an entire fleet of industrial giants works in perfect harmony around the clock. The heart of this massive copper operation is anchored by an enormous P&H electric rope shovel, a towering mechanical titan that tears into copper-bearing rock with incredible precision and ceaseless productivity. This gigantic shovel loads a non-stop line of ultra-class Liebherr T282B haul trucks, which are heavy as a cruise ship when fully loaded with 400 tons of raw payload. Maintaining the vast haul roads for these rolling fortresses is Caterpillar's largest motor grader, an engineering marvel in its own right, constantly smoothing the rugged terrain to ensure maximum fleet efficiency. The auditory landscape is an epic symphony of deep diesel roars, whirring electric cables, and crushing stone that echoes across the massive open pit. This synchronized mega fleet represents the absolute peak of modern surface mining coordination, where every single pass of the rope shovel drives the industrial heartbeat of America's copper supply. Every machine we have seen so far relies on traditional digging and swinging, but our final destination transcends the very nature of standard earth moving. Standing alone as one of the largest land-moving machines ever conceived, the P&H 9020 Dragline is a colossal planetary titan that completely redefines modern engineering. Shifting away from rigid hydraulic arms, this unbelievable industrial powerhouse operates on a different scale, wielding a massive suspended bucket controlled by heavy-duty steel cables thick as tree trunks. Its towering boom stretches hundreds of feet into the sky, casting the enormous bucket across the pit to drag thousands of tons of overburden away in a single sweep. The visual dominance of the P&H 9020 is mind-boggling. It walks on massive steel shoes, gradually stepping across the landscape like a mechanical god. Watching it swing is hypnotic and terrifying, permanently reshaping the geography of the Earth with every pass. This multi-thousand-ton legend represents the ultimate climax of human ingenuity, an unstoppable monument of heavy industry pushing far beyond all mechanical limits. From next-gen hydraulic lifters to the landscape-altering dragline, these steel monsters prove that when it comes to extraction, human engineering knows no boundaries. Which of these heavy metal titans would you want to command? Drop your pick in the comments, smash that subscribe button to lock into Beast Machine's world, and we will see you in the next epic hit.